Hi, welcome to today's GK class, children. Turn to page number 28. Today we will learn about shapes and patterns. First one, identify the shape of the pictures. One has been done for you. All this you might have learned in your max class. Let us have a revision. First is a chessboard and it is the shape of a square. They have already given that. Second one is a picture of a clock and the shape is circle. Third one is the picture of kite and the geometrical shape is rhombus. Fourth one is a picture of pizza and the shape is triangle. Fifth one is a picture of a television and the shape is rectangle. Let's go for next exercise. Look at the patterns and guess what will come next. Draw and color your answer. This is given to test your logical skill, so try to do it by yourself. Let me give an explanation if you still have doubt. First one is a blue book, followed by a red one, blue one, red one. So the next will be blue one. Second one ball, two balls, one ball, two balls, and it will be followed again by one ball. First is with six petals, next with many petals, next with six petals, followed by many petals. So next will be six petals. Okay, fourth one. Here the pattern gets changed a little. Yellow cone, pink cone, black cone, again yellow cone. So what will be the next? It will be the pink cone followed by a black one. Okay, draw the picture and color it to the similar diagram given in the question. Now turn to page number 29. There are many patterns in nature. Identify the given patterns. Write the correct answer using the help box. Let us see the help box first. They have given the options as peacock, zebra, tiger, kiwi fruit, giraffe, and pineapple fruit. Okay, so let's go for the pictures. First one, are you able to identify? Yeah, it's a zebra. So you have to mark the answer B here. Next one, this is a picture of a pineapple. So the answer here is F. So you have to write F in the box. Next one, it's a picture of giraffe. So it's E here. So write E. Next is tiger. The answer is C. So put C here in the box. Next is a picture of peacock feather and the answer is A. So write A. Next is the picture of kiwi fruit. So that is answer D. So write answer D in the box. Next is solve the crossword by writing the name of the colors of the pictures. See the pictures, find the colors and write the correct spelling in the crossword. First, let us go for this picture. Yes, it is grass and the color of grass is green. The spelling of green is Green. Already three letters of the word is given, so you have to fill in only the missing letters. Next, let's go for the vertical column. So the picture given is sun and the color starts with Y. It is yellow. So spelling of yellow is Yelllow. So you have to fill in only the missing letters. Next is the picture of an orange. So this is an horizontal blank. So already they have given O. So you have to write R-A. N is given G-E. Next is the picture of a tomato and the color is red. R is given. You have to write E. You have filled in already. So write only D. Next, it's a log and the color is brown. It's a vertical one. So you already B is given. Brown. Next is the picture of a crow and the color is black. B is given. Lack. Okay, very easy, children. So after 29 is over, turn to page number 30. Next, eighth one is time to celebrate. A. Festivals are times for celebrations. We get together with our friends and family to celebrate. Read the clues and name the festivals. Pick your answers from the help box. Let's see the name of festivals first. Guru Purab, Diwali, Eid al-Fitr, Christmas and Holi. First picture is this festival is also known as Festival of Lights. Are you able to identify the answer? Yes, it's Diwali. Diwali. Next, this festival is celebrated on 25th December every year to mark the birth of Jesus Christ. Yes, it is Christmas. Christmas. You can copy the spelling from the help box. Third one, this festival is known as Festival of Colors. Obviously, Holi. Holi. Fourth one, this festival celebrates the birth of Guru Nanak and other Sikh Gurus. Yes, it is Guru Purab. I think the spelling is Gurupurab. Fifth one, this festival marks the end of a 30-day long fast called Ramzan or Ramadan, however it's pronounced. The answer is Eid al-Fitr. Okay. Let's think. Have you seen how the sky is covered in grey smoke after we burst crackers? Crackers are bad for our health and for the environment. Say no to crackers this Diwali. When you burst crackers, it creates noise pollution, air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and it's harmful for the elders, sick, pets. So try to say no to crackers this Diwali. Now you can turn to page number 31. Solve the sums and color the picture using the color key. So they have given few sums. After doing the sum, the answer is the color of that particular area. For example, 8 minus 7 is 1. So this color, that is pink, you're supposed to, is it red or pink? Orange, sorry. Orange, you have to give orange here. 2 plus 2 is 4, that is yellow. So you have to color yellow here. 2 plus 1 is 3, here it is red. 7 minus 5 is 2, so here is green. Here is orange, next yellow, red, green. Okay, this is how you're supposed to finish this color. It is festival time. You have 100 rupees to shop. Circle the things you would like to buy. First, I want you to select items and circle. Later, you have to add the amount. This is the amount given. If you like to buy diya, you can circle diya and the cost is 10 rupees. And if you like to buy earrings, that is 20 rupees. And if you like to buy streamers, that is 10 rupees. So altogether, if you add, it comes up to 20 plus 20 plus 10 is 50. Then you have to minus it from the total amount. That is 100 minus 50 is 50 rupees, and that is the answer you're supposed to write here. First, choose the items, sum it up, then subtract it from the total amount, then write how much you have left. Circle the activities you do on festivals. First, wear traditional clothes. Second, decorate the house. Third, go to school. Fourth, watch television. Fifth, give gifts to each other. So you have to circle it by yourself. I think festivals are to celebrate. So mostly you wear traditional clothes, decorate the house and give gifts. You don't do that is go to school and watch television. So you have to circle 1, 2 and 5. So that's all. Complete till page 31, that is chapter 7 and 8, and prepare well for the exam.